Building a custom IoT device often feels like a balancing act between power, cost, and complexity. If you have ever felt like your current microcontrollers just aren't cutting it for visual tasks, you are not alone in that frustration. Today, we are looking at the ESP32 P4 development board. It is an interesting option designed to handle more demanding tasks, specifically within the realm of high-performance IoT and entry-level AI applications. At its core, this board features a dual-core RISC-V architecture. This is a significant shift from the more common architectures, offering a different approach to processing efficiency that could be beneficial for your custom logic. What really makes this board stand out are the dedicated interfaces for cameras and DSi displays. It essentially bridges the gap between a basic sensor hub and a full-fledged computer, perfect for visual interactive projects. If your project requires local image processing or a clean, responsive UI, having these native ports saves you a lot of headache with external drivers or complex hardware hacking. Check size, compatibility, selected variant, visible material or design details, and usage conditions. These small checks often prevent the wrong purchase. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Currently priced around $40.50, it sits in a competitive bracket. It is not the cheapest option on the market, but the value lies in that specific combination of display and camera connectivity on one board. With about 47 units already being picked up by early adopters, it is starting to gain some traction. Seeing other developers experiment with this is always a good sign for community support and library availability. Before you jump in, make sure to check your specific project requirements. Does your software library support this architecture yet? Always verify the latest documentation and hardware revisions before you place your order. Do not treat this as the only answer. Compare it with similar products and look for the best balance between usefulness, price, and verified details. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Remember, this is just one option. Depending on your needs, a different board might fit your project better, so take the time to compare your options and ensure it is the right match for your workflow. If you are interested, head over to the landing page to check the latest details, availability, and to see if this matches your current needs. Happy building, and let me know how your project turns out.